Hello preschool families, this is Miss Gaby from Excel and I am here today to talk to you about your family event material bag. If you came to pick up an activity bag, there is a couple of things that I would like to talk to you about because there are some great resources there for you to help your child develop oral language at home. The first one is your book. The name of the book is All Are Welcome. It is a beautiful book that your children are really going to enjoy. And if you open your book, you will find in that first page this bookmark. This bookmark is fantastic before, during, and after reading this book with your child because it provides you some wonderful tips on things that you can do before, during, and after this reading with your kiddos. We have also included some words and phrases to learn because with every book, there will always be some new words or phrases that could be a little bit challenging for our kiddos. So it's great to have some easy definitions for our kiddos ahead of time for when we're reading with them. If you use these child-friendly definitions along with the pictures in the book, it'll be really easy for you to explain new words and terms to your child and for it to remain as part of their vocabulary, because when children understand words, it becomes part of their vocabulary. And then the next thing that we have is this really fun activity. I love it. It's called All About Me. And it is a fantastic opportunity to help your child develop oral language. If you see here, it gives them a chance for them to talk about themselves. They can draw a picture of themselves or they can glue a picture of themselves there. They can write their name. They can draw or write something about their family. So it gives them an opportunity to talk with you and just interact and describe how they see themselves and their family. It also has a section for their favorite food and their favorite toy, and it'll be a really fun activity. When children describe themselves, describe their family and their interests, is a wonderful opportunity for them to think critically and for them to develop oral language. The next thing that we have are the sequence cards. I just love these sequence cards. They're very simple, but they really help our kiddos think critically, and it gives them an opportunity to have to explain why things go in a certain order. Like, let's say, for example, I'm going to use the very first set of cards. You could mix them up. You could mix them up and have your children organize them and ask them why do they go in a particular order. So one of the things that you can say is, let's take a look at the life of this plant. When we plant a plant, does it automatically go like this? Or when we plant some seeds, does it automatically look like this? And chances are that your kiddos are going to know that that's not the case. That once you put some seeds, it starts growing really, really little into just a very small spud. And then it starts growing some branches and leaves. And finally, they can describe the end of the process with, the flower already growing out of the pod. This is one of many examples. One of my favorite ones is this one because it helps children kind of break down the process of drawing this little monster. Children do all sorts of different drawings at this age, and it is great when they get the opportunity to describe their thinking and drawing process. So this could be a great activity for you to do with your children at home. I would recommend mix all of this up, help them find the ones that belong to each other, and then once they've found the ones that they belong to each set, have them put them in order of the sequence in which they should go. Ask them questions about them and let them explain them to you. This will be wonderful for their oral language acquisition. Well, I really enjoyed describing these activities to you. I hope that you have a fantastic and fun time with your children doing these activities at home. Now, let's go to a raffle. Okay, families, are you ready for the raffle? Now, I'm going to give this a good shake, and I'll be calling out the last 4 numbers in the ticket. If those numbers are your number, let us know, and we'll make sure your kiddo gets a prize. The first winner is ticket ending in 2764. That number is 2764. Alrighty. The next winner is ticket ending in 2809. If I just called your number, make sure to send us a picture of your ticket and we'll make sure your kiddo gets a prize.